Welcome to a practical guide for choosing the right AI course. This video offers a practical look at what truly helps people learn and use AI effectively. When evaluating a learning experience, consider human guidance, immediate answers to questions, and flexible pacing. In-person options generally provide superior interaction compared to pre-recorded courses or random ads. For practical outcomes, look for hands-on practice, working with real workflows, and courses that deliver usable skills immediately. Avoid purely theoretical seminars or courses with fake examples. Clarity and confidence are built by content that removes confusion, honestly explains limits, and provides support. Be wary of overwhelming content or false confidence promises. Trust and safety involve clear explanations of data and privacy, coverage of ethical use, and realistic claims. Be cautious of courses that ignore these points or make exaggerated promises. Credibility hinges on certification, accountability, and ongoing support. Check if the course is certified, offers local and real accountability, and provides clear next steps rather than disappearing. AI for Business focuses on clarity, strategy, and practical application. It is a professional workshop designed to demystify artificial intelligence and unlock its real-world potential. Ready to take the next step? Join an upcoming AI Cyclops workshop to gain practical, immediate skills. Check the website, call, or email for more details on our in-person CPD certified workshops.